Let's get real for a moment. You work hard for your money, but do you have a clear, precise understanding of where every single dollar is going, what it's doing for you, and whether your entire financial machine is running as efficiently as it could? Most people don't. They have a vague sense of their bank balance. They pay bills as they come in, and they hope their 401k is growing. But hope is not a strategy. A financial audit, not the scary IRS kind, but a personal, proactive health check is the single most powerful thing you can do to transform your financial life from passive to powerful. It's the process of putting on your detective hat and examining every part of your financial ecosystem with a critical, objective eye. This isn't about shaming yourself for past spending. It's about gathering intelligence to make smarter decisions moving forward. In this guide, I'll walk you through a systematic, professional-grade audit you can complete over a weekend. We'll move from the big picture, your net worth and cash flow, down to the microscopic details, like individual subscription fees and investment expense ratios. You'll learn how to spot the silent wealth killers, the redundant policies, the underperforming assets, and the missed opportunities that are holding you back. By the end, you lines have a complete diagnostic report on your financial life and a clear action plan to fix what's broken and optimize what's working. We begin with the foundation, the big picture snapshot. This is about understanding your starting coordinates. First, calculate your net worth. This is your financial report card. List all your assets, the current market value of your home, your car, the total in all checking, savings, and investment accounts, including retirement, the cash value of life insurance, and any other valuable property. Then, list all your liabilities, every single debt, mortgage balance, car loan, student loans, credit card balances, personal loans. Your net worth is assets minus liabilities. Don't be discouraged if it's negative or low. This is your baseline for measurement. Next, map your cash flow. For the past 3 months, track all money coming in, take-home pay, side hustle income, dividends, and all money going out. Categorize the outflows: housing, transportation, food, utilities, insurance, debt payments, entertainment, subscriptions, etc. The goal here is to find your true savings rate. Income, expenses, income. This number is the engine of your future wealth. A common mistake is only looking at monthly flows and ignoring the net worth statement. You need both. A positive cash flow with a mountain of high-interest debt is still a crisis. This snapshot gives you the what, and the rest of the audit will reveal the why and the how to fix it. Now, we drill down into the most telling part of your audit, the spending and subscription autopsy. This is where you find the leaks sinking your cash flow ship. Go through your last 3 months of bank and credit card statements line by line. I mean every single transaction. You're looking for 3 things: recurring charges, wasteful spending, and fraud. For recurring charges, make a dedicated list of every subscription and membership, streaming services, software, gym memberships, delivery boxes, Patreon pledges. Ask for each one. Do I use this? Does it bring me $X worth of value per month? You'll be shocked at what you find: the $15 a month app you forgot about, the upgraded cloud storage you don't need. The pro tip is to use a virtual card service for all subscriptions so you can see and cancel them in one place. For wasteful spending, look for patterns. Are you spending $200 a month on coffee and breakfast sandwiches? $400 on impulse Amazon purchases. This isn't about eliminating joy, it's about aligning spending with your values. If you value travel, cutting the wasteful spending funds the travel. Finally, scan for any fraudulent or incorrect charges. Small, strange fees can be a sign of a compromised card or a company overcharging you. This process is tedious but transformative. It directly frees up cash that can be redirected to debt payoff or investments. The next critical system to audit is your debt portfolio. Not all debt is created equal. Create a spreadsheet listing every debt, its interest rate, its minimum payment, and its balance. This is your enemy list, ranked by danger. High-interest consumer debt, credit cards, payday loans is an emergency. It's a negative return investment that compounds against you. The audit question here is, what is my plan to eliminate this, and can I accelerate it? Can you do a balance transfer to a 0% AP or card to save on interest? Can you refinance student loans at a lower rate? For mortgage and auto loans, the question is different. Is this the best rate I could get today? With interest rates fluctuating, a refinance could save thousands. The insider strategy is to calculate the true cost of each debt, the total interest you lines pay over the life of the loan. Seeing that number can be the motivation you need to attack it aggressively. Your debt audit should result in a clear, prioritized payoff plan, whether it's the debt snowball smallest balance first for psychological wins, or the debt avalanche highest interest rate first for mathematical efficiency. Now, audit your investments and savings. This is about ensuring your money is working hard, not just sitting there. First, emergency fund. Do you have 3 to 6 months of essential expenses in a liquid, high-yield savings account? Is it actually earning a competitive interest rate, or is it in a big bank earning 0.01%? Move it to a high-yield account. It's a non-negotiable upgrade. Second, retirement and brokerage accounts. Look at your asset allocation. Is it aligned with your age and risk tolerance? A 30-year-old shouldn't be 80% in cash. Then, dig into the fees. What are the expense ratios of the mutual funds or ETFs you own? An expense ratio of 1% versus 0.1% can cost you hundreds of thousands of dollars over a lifetime. Are you paying advisory fees? If so, what services are you getting for that fee? Are your accounts with multiple, scattered brokers? Consolidation can simplify management. Third, check your contribution rates. Are you maximizing your employer's 401k match? That's free money. Can you increase your contributions by 1% this year? This audit ensures your investment engine is properly tuned and not being drained by unnecessary costs. Finally, audit your protection and legal framework. This is the boring but vital stuff that prevents disaster. Insurance review. Do you have adequate health, auto, and homeowners or renters insurance? For life insurance, do you even need it? Do you have dependents? If you have a term policy, is the coverage amount still sufficient? Shop around every few years. Loyalty often costs you. Estate documents. Do you have a will, a durable power of attorney, and an advance healthcare directive? If not, you are letting the state decide what happens to you and your assets. This is a massive, unforgivable gap. Tax efficiency. Are you taking all the deductions and credits you're eligible for? Are you using tax-advantaged accounts like HSAs, 401ks, IRAs to their fullest? A quick review with last year's tax return can reveal missed opportunities. This part of the audit isn't about growing your wealth. It's about defending it from catastrophe, taxes, and legal chaos. In conclusion, auditing your finances like a pro is a systematic, deep dive investigation into the health and efficiency of your entire financial life. It moves you from being a passive passenger to the active pilot. By taking these steps, snapshotting your net worth and cash flow, conducting a ruthless spending autopsy, strategically analyzing your debt, optimizing your investments and savings, and fortifying your legal and insurance protections, you create a comprehensive map. This map shows you exactly where you are, where the roadblocks and potholes are, and the clearest path to your financial destination. Schedule this audit annually, just as a business would. It is the ultimate act of taking responsibility for and control over your financial future. Disclaimer: I am not a certified financial planner, registered investment advisor, tax professional, or attorney. The information in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not personalized financial, investment, tax, or legal advice. Your personal financial situation is unique. Before implementing any strategies, especially regarding investments, debt, insurance, or estate planning, you must consult with your own qualified financial advisor, CPA, and/or attorney to discuss what is appropriate for your specific circumstances.